Right guys, I think we've all had enough of doing the floor and the arches for a minute. So I'm just having a look to see what else we can do. I've noticed this piece needs dealing with. Probably cut maybe just down to this line. Maybe I can get a piece in there. I won't be able to come any further down because I'm not going to be able to make this form here. It's also a little bit gone on the inside. See, this panel here is not the best, but yeah, so there's that. Then there's, on this quarter panel that's not being changed, there's this section here. I think we should be able to use a old piece of step that we didn't end up using. So it's this piece. I reckon we can get that in there, cut that out, and I think the seal probably comes to about here, so there'll only be a little bit there that'll be on show. Hopefully we can get that nice and smooth, nice flat surface there. So yeah, there's that bit. And then the next thing before the floors, I want to do the dash rail. The reason why is because all down here will be disconnecting from the bulkhead, and I want to get some strength across the car because the bulkhead itself is not very strong and all flexes here. So I'd like to, before I cut any more out across the car, I'd like to get a nice solid bar in there. Not too worried over here. We've got a couple of tiny little holes that might just need a little patch, but on this side we're gonna obviously replace the dash rail, so that's everything that way, but then we're gonna need like a little banana shape here and a little triangular shape put in there. We've got to cut away the dash rail first, so hopefully we can just make a straight cut there. And then a straight cut down here. Right then, we're just working our way along here. So we've cut in here. Gonna have to finish that off with the hand saw probably. Disc isn't quite long enough, or big enough diameter I should say. Obviously we made that cut down there, and then most of this along here is just off from the rust, and then they're just relieving spot welds along there. Probably just cut under some of the spot welds, but we just want to leave some lip to locate the panel. Right, loads more to do obviously. See you in a bit. About halfway along, keep going. Right, well, it's out. So these two things are exactly the same, aren't they? There's no difference at all, especially not up at that end. And the bulkhead's absolutely fine. Yeah, no issues there at all. Just a bit of tidying up left to do. This tab should come off. This weld line needs grinding away, and similar sort of thing over there. But I've had enough for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.